Finally, look how smooth that is, y'all. Look at that, man. Ooh, finally, 3 weeks. That's wild. I just wanted to mock it up just to see. You feel me? Oil pump. But let's go. She's spinning, y'all. Pistons going in tomorrow. Probably going to order the mounts, drop it in the car that weekend. You hear me? Change. I'm just waiting on my retainer plate and I can start putting the bottom in and everything together. Yep, y'all, timing chain. I don't want to flip it, but it's the last thing I gotta put on. I found out that these are too motherfucking big. So, yep. How she looking? Go, y'all, complete the front anyways. Heads, lifters, I'm doing head studs, so heads, lifters, head gasket, head studs, and of course like my springs and stuff. I got all that, and that's it. Got my alternator. I ain't putting him on yet. My Bally goes. Let him go right there. Ooh. That backwards. Boom. Ooh. Progress.